All right, guys, welcome back. So update on the Honda Hybrid project here. We're waiting for more parts. We got our first set of radiator hoses in. So we got those, and we're waiting for a second set so we can kind of mesh them together to get certain bends. But we're trying to keep throwing some videos up here for you guys to watch. So I got one Mishimoto fan mount done. Well, I got them both done. So our fan's gonna sit here like this. So I'm gonna go ahead and powder coat them, and then we'll show how they fit and how it installs. We'll throw the radiator in, and we've got powder in too, right here, prismatic powders. So we're just gonna do something fun tonight. Make a little video to show you guys and show you kind of the color scheme that this thing's gonna end up being when we're all done. Like all the four-wheelers, we usually do just a cup, powder coat it just to test our colors, see how it's gonna look. So we got our cup here ready, and sneak peek here, got some vinyl to put on there. So just follow along. We'll make a quick little video just to keep you guys interested, and at the end we'll show you this finished cup that's gonna reveal our color choices for this thing. You excited?
I am very excited.
So radiator and Mishimoto fan will be installed, and we'll have a powder coated, fresh, hopefully good looking cup when we're done. So stay tuned. Starting with the what color is it? Highland gray? Highland charcoal, something like that?
Yeah.
So this is just a background color. Oh shit, will you turn the air on? Oh, there we go. That's more gooder, huh?
Oh yeah, much better.
Clamp here. That color is high-end charcoal. Now we got lava gray loaded up. We're gonna put a couple stencils on this, and then these are our fan brackets for the Mishimoto fan. So these will be lava gray. We'll put stickers, do some lava gray here, and then go to our next step. There's one side. It's kind of marking like 180 across. This is the KTM Honda sticker. There, show that Christine. Pretty cool. Make sure it looks pretty well centered.
Looks good.
Do some gray on it, huh?
Yep.
Start with this down here. You good?
Yep.
So I'm gonna try to mostly do the bottom, not up here. Will you turn my car on? Good. Like I said, I'm really trying to just do the bottom. A little bit up here so I can spread that design around a bit. Okay, that looks good. Now let's get these suckers up here. And we're doing these gray so they match the frame. This gray is going to be our frame color.
And this is the lava gray?
Lava gray. One thing that sucks about this is it's so light it kind of blends with the bead blasted metal.
Mm-hmm.
It's good there. You can tell it changes, right?
Yeah, I could tell the difference.
I'm sure you can. Okay, good to go. Back in the oven. Alright, so there's our lava gray. This is just a few minutes just to gloss out. And now we're gonna start putting some stencils on. So the whole pattern or idea for this is we're gonna have like hex design on the rims, we're gonna have it on the graphics, and it's all gonna be gray, white, and with that graphite accent. So I'm gonna start putting these on. And we'll come back in a minute after they're on. All right, we are ready for our final color. Here, check this out. Got our stickers all on there. Time for our white. Shit back over here. I hope this sticks good.
I think it will.
So we'll go white, nice and solid. This will be like our top coat, and then we're gonna clear coat the whole thing too. Let's see. Hey, air's way high. We'll turn it down. Too bad. I think that's good. Plenty good. There's our white back in the oven, and then we get to peel all those goddamn stickers back off.
The fun stuff.
back in the oven. All right, so we stopped recording last night and came back today. It was late, but so after the final bake of the white, this is white and cleared. Here's our KTM Honda symbol, little hex designs. So that will be kind of the design that will be on our rims and graphics too, right?
Yep. Graphics.
So cup's done. Our brackets for the radiator are done up there hanging. So I'm gonna start bolting some brackets onto our fan, and I'll show you guys how the fan mounts, put the radiator in, and be good to go. Candace is over there getting ready to do some bead blasting and powder coating tonight.
Yep.
So let's keep going. Here we go. All right, so here we go. We got our powder coated brackets here. So this one is the top one if you get in closer here. So I'm gonna go ahead and bolt these on, but basically this one sits right here and bolts on up there. And then these holes are chamfered so that my bolts are stainless and they sit flat so they don't rub against the radiator. So what I did is I did that so I can bolt them up, and then on this Mishimoto fan, sorry, damn it. I went and bought these rubber bumpers that just have the pull tabs through. So when we bolt this down, it's got a nice cushion to hold it tight against there without messing up the radiator. And that raises it just enough to where when we bolt this down, it pulls it down with pressure. So I'm gonna get this bolted on real quick. So I got nylocks on here. And I'm just lightly, I want to be able to move these still. There's a little bit of room on these. So once I get this bolted on, I need to get it adjusted. And then I'll actually tighten it down where it like fits really good. There we go. So the way these Mishimoto little clamp things work is they just slip into the fan if you get up close here. So that slips in, and I hope I didn't mess up because my bracket hits a bit. Alright, yeah, I gotta undo it. But that slips down in there. It's just, I got my bracket as tight as it goes around on this radius, so it hooks under a little bit while it's bolted on. So I gotta take this off and then re-bolt this on real quick. Alright, so I think they're snug now. So if you look, there's the brackets I made. I went for kind of a cool looking design really, but this is our frame color, so when this is on, it's gonna all go together. So the reason I did this, 2 bolts right here, and this fan will come off the radiator. So we could technically put this fan on a factory radiator, the Mishimoto radiator, without any modifications or anything. But the way this goes on is if you look down here where the Honda radiator, the pins go into the frame, these go into rubber bushings. So this slips onto here, just like that. And then up here, we bolt it on. So that's why I needed everything somewhat loose, so so that I can bolt that up there. So I'm gonna get these 2 bolts in real quick, and then we'll actually put this back in there and show you guys how it looks in the machine. All right, so if you look here, these are our bolts. So those are the only ones that actually bolt this down. I just put some little blue Loctite on there because we shouldn't have to take this back apart. So now if you look, like, this is nice and tight. It's not going anywhere. There's no gaps down here. Our wire's out the right side. We got clearance for our coolant overflow bottle. So when this goes in now, if you want to get a good look at that, it looks nice. So when this goes in, just stick it through here. Watch the cable. And if I get in front here, I just got to get this top side over the mounts there. Bring it back. And there it's down. It's down in these rubber bushings now. And that's exactly how it sits. And then, like, to get these bolts in, you got to kind of push down into those rubber bushings, which I think is going to help hold that and not let it vibrate on those pins. But the nice thing is I think I could pull these bolts out if I need to. Here, look at this too, minus my wire that's tucked there. But you can look, and we have clearance all the way around that fan now. And now we don't have a fan back here by our exhaust pipes. If you come look, before that fan was right here by our exhaust. So now we have a ton of space through here. So that's the fan all mounted. I don't know if you remember from another video, but we were using these little Mishimoto zip tie mounts, which I said in the other video I didn't like them. So that's our new style. Let us know what you think. Another thing that we did tonight, show this, Christy. If you guys want to see, this is our frame color. So just like the cup, we did the cup, and then we went ahead, this grab bar is brand new. So we went ahead and painted this. So to give you an idea, that will be our finished frame color against the, oops. So that'll be against all new white plastics. So that's about it for this video. Just a little quick short one. Let us know what you think. Like and subscribe. There's more on the way. Still waiting on parts. We're waiting on these damn radiator hoses. Our second set, like I said, and then we'll be ready for our first startup. So hopefully that's our next video. Hopefully. Otherwise, the one after. Until then, thanks for watching. Let us know what you think, and see you later.